Hi, I'm Lynn Cooper, President of BFW. I'd like to welcome you to our BFW virtual exhibit. While our booth may be virtual, believe me, the quality of our surgical headlights, light sources, and camera systems is very real. As we head into our 50th year, BFW is proud of the products we bring to the medical and surgical community. Over these 50 years, we've maintained our deep connection to our customers, always striving to provide personal customer service and products that adapt to the needs of many. I invite you to take a look at our wide range of products engineered and assembled in the United States and know that we're happy to do all we can to ensure comfort and reliability. So all you need to do is focus on the job at hand.